My name is Stephanie Tindell, and this is my manufacturing story. I'm an HR business partner for International Paper here in the River Valley. So I've been in manufacturing for the last 10 years, 3 of that in the box industry with International Paper. The next generation coming into the workforce is able to get these advanced skill sets behind them while they're still in high school, brings it to the workforce that they can start earning credits to build a bachelor's, maybe an associate's program. You have employers like us in the area that are willing to advance you further with tuition assistance. So if you already have credits behind you, you can start working on those additional degree programs and the company's paying for it. So while you're in high school, you get these credits and then employers are going to follow and help support you to a future goal. One thing that excites me is that students are coming in, they're getting that education behind them, and then not just that, but they can be local. They can stay here local and stay with employers that are local that are partnering with UAFS to grow those individuals as well. And the more we have programs like this to correlate what we have applicable here, you don't have to leave home. You can stay here, get the education, and grow here locally. Having courses like this before you get in front of the machinery, it makes you more aware and vigilant of what you're going into. I'm excited about this. I'm excited about having these programs in place to really advance what we have here locally. The University of Arkansas Fort Smith supplies a lifeline to the River Valley.